Hello, this is Blake Knierim, woodworker, and today I'm going to be showing you my router table stand and what I have on it. Or featherboard, not fretboard. The router that I have in here is a Bosch router. I forget the model number. I think it's 31127, maybe. I think so. And it works really nice, and it's really good. And it comes with a plunge base and a stationary or standard base, and it has all the locking mechanisms and the height adjustment. But I'll do another video about the router. So that is the basic router that I have in there. And for the bottom, I have my Bosch radio in here. I drilled the hole for the wrench that is used to from the top of the router to lift it up and down or raise it up and down. And right here I have some scrap plywood that I just screwed on here to hold my router bits. There's one loose in there. And I put casters on it, and it rolls very smoothly. So the fence slides in these two holes here, these two bolts. You can see them. Go in there like that, slide it over, and you can slide it up. And to lock it in, you just tighten these. And it's locked in there. And to adjust the front pieces, right here, depending on how tight you want it around the bit, which is actually very hard to see right now. Well, you can just see the gap of the light. And you're going to loosen these right here. That slides this open, closed, depending on where you want them for the bit, like I said. And this one does the same thing. I'm just sliding it and forth. And I just leave them out there. So that's how the fence works. And I'll show you how the fretboards go on. Or fretboards. Feather boards, not fretboards. Anyways, this one doesn't have that track on it yet. But here, this one has a track on it. So just keep that loosened up. Then it slides on. Maybe? Forget how these go on. Actually, no wait. Oh, this one does not take the bolts. Or this does not take this plastic piece. This one, you just loosen, and you put the bolts in this track after you loosen it quite a bit. Yeah, this one. Jeez. Yeah, that just goes on by loosening those quite a bit. So that's how those go on. Just like that. And this can be fully adjusted and everything. And then just there. And then just tighten these where you want it. But actually you have to take this piece off. You know what? Yes you do have. I'm getting so confused. So this one I need that plastic piece on, I'm pretty sure. You know what? I'm confused. Well, anyways, I know this piece right here, this is going to slide into this track. Loosen these up. And that will slide in there. It's fully adjustable. And then just tighten these. And now it's tight. So that's how that works. So that is my router table stand. I hope you enjoyed. I'm really impressed with it. You can't see the lighting bad again, but you can go ahead and build yourself your own. It's just 2x4s. I think from three and a half, or like three and a half 2x4s, 8 feet long is all it took to build mine. Just took the measurements of it and built a nice stand for it. Yeah, it's really hard to see. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.